Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, hi and welcome. I post nail art videos every Monday and Friday, and on every Wednesday I post a summer nail polish of the week video. In today's video I will be showing you how you can create your own jelly polish at home and this cute 3D polka dot design using the same jelly polish. So if you want to learn how I do that, please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell notification icon so you get notified as soon as I have a new video. Now let's get right into the video. This is a really colorful design and I have used all sorts of colors to create these cute polka dots. But as always, we start by prepping our nails by applying a good layer of base coat. Now on the forefinger nail, apply a few purple dots using the back of the toothpick like so. For the middle nail, apply a few pink dots, and for the ring finger nail, apply some orange dots. This is a really simple and easy design for which you do not need any nail art tools. For the pinky nail, I chose to draw some blue dots. Then on the thumbnail, I created some green polka dots. Have you heard of jelly nail polishes? They are all over the market these days. And why wouldn't they be? Because there are so many nail art options that you can create using these jelly polishes. The jelly polishes are in a jelly-like texture obviously, and they are on a bit translucent side. They have a hint of color which makes them really unique. Now if you have been watching my previous videos, you know I am all about DIYs. So I went ahead and did a bit of research and figured out a way to create my own jelly polishes. And I'm going to share that with you guys in this video. Okay, now moving on to the next step. After you have applied the polka dots on all your nails, apply a layer of fast drying top coat. Now using the lighter shade of the same colors that you have used earlier, apply polka dots in the remaining spaces. For this layer, overlap a few lighter dots on the darker dots. Doing this will create a sort of 3D effect. I will fast forward the video as I do the same step on each nail. Although my favorite color is always pink, but I really loved how these green polka dots on my thumbnail turned out. Now again apply a layer of fast drying top coat. Now on to the interesting part of how to make your own jelly polish at home. The recipe is quite simple. You will need a small container for mixing the liquids. I used this old container of chocolates which I saved from the last box. You will also need a bottle of transparent nail polish. For this, you can also use a base coat if it is not translucent or the top coat if it is not in the matte finish. Then you will need the nail polishes in the colors you want to make your jelly polish in. In the mixing tray, pour a couple of drops of your transparent nail polish. Then take your colored nail polish and wipe away almost all the nail polish off of the brush. And then use the same brush with a tiny bit of nail polish left on it to mix it with the transparent polish in the mixing tray. And there, you have created your own jelly nail polish. It's that simple. This easy method of creating jelly polishes gives you freedom to create jelly polishes in all your favorite colors. Isn't that great? So in this way, create your own jelly polish and apply a layer of it as you go along with each nail. Let me just zoom in for you guys so you can clearly see how easily this one layer of jelly polish completely changes the look of this nail art. Okay, so now moving on to the final step, apply a few dots in white nail polish. It is a good idea to apply a few bigger and a few smaller white dots like so. These white dots will give another dimension to this cute little nail art. Out of all the nails, this time green has to be my favorite for some reason. Which color do you like the most? Let me know in the comment section below. Final step is to always clean your edges for a neater look and to apply a good quality top coat for that shinier and long lasting manicure. And there we have a cute little polka dot design with a 3D effect created by your own DIY jelly nail polish. I really had a great time creating this fun little polka dot design for you guys, and I hope you too like it. Thanks so much for watching. Please click on that circle to subscribe to my channel and these boxes to watch my other popular videos. Bye! See you in my next video.